In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your driver's side window sweep. This applies to the 08 to 2010 Ford F-250, and the same procedure will apply to the passenger side. To do this job, it is easiest if you have one of these tools. This is a special tool that removes these window sweeps, otherwise you're going to have to get in here with a trim tool, pop it up without damaging the paint, and it can be a little bit cumbersome just because they are very tightly clamped on here. What this tool does is once it slides underneath, you can see it wants to hook onto it, so all you do is just pull really hard. That pops right off. Lift it up and out. Okay, there's your old one. Grab the new one, line it up, make sure it slides underneath the mirror. Line it up at the back and tap it down. Perfect.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.